You know, the blockchain and cryptocurrency arena can be a very confusing place because people use different terms and nomenclature interchangeably, and often in the right context, but for a newcomer, that can actually be really confusing. So what I want to do in this video is really go through the fundamental building blocks of this from a programmer's point of view, but explain it in everyday English so you can have more informed conversations around the industry. So let's first start off talking about blockchain. Blockchain is the technology used in cryptocurrency. It's just a technology that is used for building cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin, for example, was the first successful use case of using the blockchain technology and merging it with good economic design to provide a cryptographic currency. Now, Bitcoin is also a protocol because it was built from the ground up using the blockchain technology, just like Ethereum is also a protocol. Now, a protocol, you can think of like HTTP. When you visit a website, you go to HTTP, www. Or HTTPS. These are protocols. Ethereum is also a protocol. And now Ethereum is going to be the topic of focus for today's video. Ethereum is ranked number 2 in total market cap and is a very, very, very successful cryptocurrency. Yes. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are cryptocurrencies. I have accepted Ethereum for payment for services just like I have Bitcoin, and you can do the same. These are both coins. They are not tokens. You can exchange them for goods and services, depending on what people will accept, of course. Now, the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is really there as a network for programmers for other applications to be built on top of. So I'm going to put this analogous to, you have an iPhone. Your iPhone is the technology. So this is the technology. On top of the technology, you have iOS. iOS is like Ethereum. Think of it like that. And on top of iOS, you can build these applications. Now, in cryptocurrency, it's the same because on top of Ethereum, we can build digital applications. So Ethereum issues a token that allows you to build digital applications and have access to the Ethereum blockchain. It's a quick and easy and dirty way to get access to blockchain technology and build your own applications for whatever utility or purpose you have. So Ethereum essentially is a cryptocurrency in its own right, but there are other cryptocurrencies built on top of Ethereum, which are digital applications. Now, Ethereum's not the only protocol out there you can do this. EOS is also a protocol, for example, but I just want to use Ethereum. There are tons of other cryptocurrencies out there. Now, a good use case of a successful digital application is CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties was built using a token from Ethereum called the ERC-721 token. Now, remember from a previous video, a token and a coin have two totally different properties to them. A coin is for general use, and a token, broadly speaking, is for specific purposes, and it allows you to do specific things. So you're probably thinking, CryptoKitties, Sean, are you serious? I'm very serious. CryptoKitties was one of the first real success stories when it came to building a digital application that got adopted from the Ethereum network. So what is CryptoKitties? It uses the ERC-721 token, which is specifically for digital assets, or in this case, non-fungible assets, where CryptoKitties is really a cross between an online Tamagotchi mixed with Pokemon. These are digital cats that you could trade, that you could own, that you could breed, that were totally unique to you. If you owned a cat that everyone else wanted, you made more money because it was more scarce. So CryptoKitties really focused on digital scarcity and made some people actually very wealthy. The whole point here is CryptoKitties had this utility where you could exchange these digital cats and even breed the cats. So it had its own token. It was its own cryptocurrency in its own right, but it's a digital application built on top of the Ethereum protocol. So it wasn't directly integrated into the blockchain. It was directly integrated into Ethereum, which is a protocol built on the blockchain, and it had a utility use case. Now, there are different digital applications out there, or different cryptocurrencies with different tokens that have different token design. You have security tokens, you have equity tokens if you want to incentivize investment for raising funds for a project, for example, and you have utility tokens. In this case, we're talking about CryptoKitties. So there's a lot going on here. I already understand there is, but let's just recap quickly. We have the blockchain technology that has fundamental cryptocurrency protocols built on top of it. On top of some of those protocols, you can build digital applications. Those digital applications have their own tokens, and those tokens can be exchanged as currency or as cryptocurrency if you like. And those tokens also carry a unique design and attribute to them. They can be utility tokens, security tokens, or equity tokens. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them either in the comments or in a future video. Until the next one, take care and talk soon.